Shenzhen Electronic Company is a comprehensive manufacturer specializing in the R&D, design, manufacturing, marketing of waterproof connectors and cables. It is a leading provider of waterproof connector and cables in China and is committed to provide customers with safe, environmentally friendly, and durable waterproof connectors and cables. Let's go and see it.
Founded in 2008, Shenzhen Electronic Company now has more than 3,000 square meters of factory and more than 100 employees, including senior technical research and development teams and professional sales teams. Our products, independently developed and designed by our company, has a number of exclusive patented technology. After more than 15 years of continuous development and growth, Shenzhen Electronic Company now has become a leading brand in China's waterproof connector and cables industry and has a certain international reputation.
We are the source factory and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.